Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, AmaZulu 1. I'm joined by Izinja States.
Well, that's you.
Nonchebe.
Mnandi jam.
Hayi mnandi jaya.
Nami mnandi.
Yeah, sure.
Before ngiyafera nje yami. Vandag i-1 is October.
Yes.
I-birthday ye-old lam vandag.
Yeah.
So happy birthday mama.
Yeah.
I love you so much.
Yeah.
That's it nje yami. Ngibamba kanjalo. Okuningi sengimtsheli.
Yeah, sure.
Ngiyakuthanda olady.
Yeah.
Size ngayi FNP.
Sure.
Ekumnandi kuba ifan ye-Orlando Pirates.
Why?
Yo. I-Chiefs lo kuyachaza nje.
Yeah.
Game after game.
Yeah.
Phela igame yabo yes-3
Yeah.
bangawini labantu
Eva.
laba. Bashawa isikhukhune.
Eva.
Bathrowa before this game. Yes, bathrowa nemarumo.
Yeah.
Njengoba vandag bathrowa vie. It goes back to the first 3 games. Mabathi ngiminya njani ngingena point. Ingihethile liya to Steve.
That statement.
That's why njalo ngiyebenshi.
Yeah.
Bathi ngiminya njani ngingena point.
Sure.
So okusho ukuthi bona yonke into abayenza bahamba nga3.
Yeah.
Bawine first 3 bathi ngiminya njani ngingena point.
Yeah.
Manje the last 3 games abawinanga.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Another thing.
Mele bathrowe.
Masibheka lapho kuloko. Sibala 1 up to 3.
Yes.
Ongali simshange current.
Asimba ivarile.
But mase singene diskini. I-Chiefs idlala ibhola elimnandi mfethu yazi like idlala ibhola elintswembu but the only problem i-Chiefs enayo right now ukuthi ayina plan lokukora.
Yeah.
You understand? Phambili yes.
Sure.
Because bayakwazi ukuthi badlisa utshani. You know mina ngiyifan ye-carpet football.
Yeah, I know you.
Bayadlisa utshani liyadlala banawo ama-touches apaya but i-plan lokukora alikho.
Yeah.
Yabona umthetho vandag awuphushile nje yami.
Big time.
Uphushile and I feel like do or die. Omunye naye deserve ama-flowers for igame yavandag.
Yes.
I think une-tendency yokukopa man untwana yazi.
Ukopuba.
We remember police makashaya hairstyle yakhe le.
Next game azokala naye.
Wavela naye sekanjalo.
Yeah, var.
Mara into egrand ngayo. Ukopa zakopa nezinto ezigrand.
Is positive.
Alright Omar Rifeits izolomoni performance yakhe beyinjani after so long.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Nayo untwana makavela vandag uvela ngeperformance egrand.
10 out of 10.
Une-tendency yokukopa.
Yeah.
But ngimthandela ukuthi ukopela izinto eziright.
Ezimnandi.
You understand?
Ata ibe igrand.
Abe grand.
Abathi domngene here. Ayikunda the next game.
Abe grand nje yami. Big rain. Anginokuningi yabona ngekhosi nje yami. AmaZulu ne. AmaZulu ane experience. And when experience AmaZulu.
Yeah.
Mayingathola ucoach ongakwazi ukuthi ayisebenzise le experience.
Yes.
Ingadla ama team apaya. You understand? Because at this point in time beba dead man. Yabona vandag ayibeba dead mfethu.
Defender kakhulu.
Yeah, but even nasemuva man bebe ngekho that much.
Yeah.
Thanks to Phillies. Phillies really saved them nje yami. Esikhathini esibhaya.
Uthe ngubani bafo? Lo center back. Yini common kuyena nalo baba lo.
Eyepula
That's crazy. I want Phillies. Abaseve kakhulu mfethu. If it wasn't for Phillies no goalkeeper. Angabe sikhulume enye into nje yami yabona. But AmaZulu, they were so dead in V2 and the kind of experience abanayo. Ingabebeka kwenye level. Phela uyabona this AmaZulu le edlala eVandag mase ngifaka ne-TS Galaxy ezolo
Yeah.
bangishaya ngisho na 10-0 amaZulu
Uva.
because fethu une-quality ebhaya
Sure.
for ukuthi ungaperforma ngale ndlela
Yeah.
understand
Yeah.
so but anginokuningi nje yami Sithibo
Yeah. Angikhanyi man of the match. Ngicela untshebe.
hayi
Untshebe ubani man of the match?
no yabona kule man of the match
Yeah.
it goes back to i-debate yami naye Vie
Sure.
yabo so yena masikhuluma lapha ya bekanenye i-view
Yeah.
ukuthi yena ucabanga ukuthi man of the match ubani
Yeah.
nami ngacabanga ukuthi ubani
Yeah.
mina man of the match yami ngizonikeza umuntu otayi
Sure. Jebe.
Mina ngizokhe ugoalkeeper wamaZulu.
Why?
Eish. Yabona mawuthi ungisuye vandag ngabe amaZulu limele blind.
Yaba.
I-penalty uyisevile. Ushaye i-double save.
Yeah.
Lento uMinera akhulume ngayo
Yeah.
yakangcobo
Yeah.
yakapule modi.
Dilepo.
Lilepo Vie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mina
Ngicela usho man of the match.
Ubani.
Woman of the match. Olet Lamando.
Yeah. Back.
It's just one.
I know. She's MVP. I spoke.
before sengiyivala nje mina yabona what Mayo did vandag eish ikhawati team nje izokhawati dressing room because portray esinye isithombe to us as our fans because mangibheka mina ne untwana already uModi beseliphakathi beselingenile but then untwana decided to touch the ball elayini yayibamba so according to me akusase teamwork
Yes.
umuntu sekazidlalela yena angithi he scored the last game so manje he's trying to get
More glory.
you understand he's trying to get 2-2
Yes.
which
Hey.
so bengisho kanjalo
Uma uyaspeeda boy.